So here we are on, if I switch it on, a Midland 2001, which is a bit brighter blue than they normally are, and we're using our standard replacement mic. Go to Mega Chippie channel, Tango 21 test.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger Dodger. Just make sure we're plugged into the extension speaker socket and away we go.
Yep, Roger. Off we go. You ready?
Yeah, ready now.
Passing the house and recording.
Roger. On this radio there's no tone control. In fact, there's no low power on this one, so when we get to the 5 mile point it'll just be a static test.
Yep, Roger that. I think I might know what it is, and I'm trying to think of sets that don't have low power, that are possibly 2781, and I think the Midland series, Midland Precision series are like that.
Yes, it could be one of 3 Midland Precision sets.
Roger. Never called out the end of the lane anyway, we're on the main road.
Roger, I'll get you off the end of the lane. Oh, yeah, that's fine, yeah. You're getting to know all these models nowadays, aren't you?
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station 137.6. Was it 137.6, 140? I don't know. I wasn't paying that much attention.
I'm so surprised that it was open, because we're doing this in the daytime, so that we're fitting other missions. And just for the video, where Mr. Chippie comes from a licensed business radio background, and he never saw a CB radio until he came here.
Roger that. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, you're going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Is that standard replacement mic on that?
Roger, do you want me to swap it for the other one?
No, it's just it's got a bit of a noisy switch, but if it's your own, it doesn't matter.
Yep, Roger on that. I might as well swap it for the non-factory, factory original. I'll come to that in a moment.
Yep, we can do. Just wait till I get past the top of the hill.
Roger.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger.
Oh dear, put the other one back on.
Back on mic 21.
Yeah, Roger, that wasn't great. Stand by. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got your line and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got your line and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on the Midland 2001, December 1981, built by Maxon. I'm on the standard replacement
problems. The non-standard standard replacement mic is very low audio and it's sort of hollow sounding.
Yeah, at the end of the day, mics which are 40 years old often leave a lot to be desired.
Sure.
So what we'll do at the 5 mile point, I'll do a mic test between this mic and the non-original mic over.
Yeah, no problem. Might as well because no lower power test.
Yeah, people can hear it better doing it that way. What it is, they did come with radios earlier for other countries and also later they came with the Midland 77104 baby Midlands later on. So we did get that type of mic in this country, but they didn't come with this particular radio. But I would think that the same as there you go. He hasn't got the Precision Series mic for it, and that's how it is.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Once you got your over Wilson level crossing, I would think it would make no difference. I just think it's a sense of time as it's grown a bit old.
Roger that. Passing the Kelby turn over.
But you got you the Kelvington. I'm going to go and fetch a Midland Precision Series mic that I've got on my own phone.
Yep, roger, okay. Yep, roger that. Right. Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn over.
Once you got you the Greyleys, you're still on that standard replacement mic. I'll swap over once I get some distance for you.
Roger. Anyone from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point on my standard replacement copping mic, setting 123, 12345, drawing 950 milliamps for full 4 watt output, so it doesn't have low power. So I'll go over to the customer supplied original, non-original mic over.
Roger that.
Tango 21, testing the customer supplied mic, testing 12345, 54321, testing, over.
Yeah, roger that. I mean, it doesn't sound as bad now. I'm not mobile, probably because there's no road noise, but it's not as good as the replacement mic.
Right, we'll now go over to a rather beat up but working precision mic of my own.
Roger.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie now on a Midland precision mic, which has never had any fiddling with. Over.
Yeah, that's probably a little bit clearer than the customer supplied one, but not by much. I think the replacement mic definitely has the edge.
Roger, and I'll go back to that. There we are, back on my mic.
Roger that. Yeah, that's got more audio to it.
Roger, off you go when you're ready.
Roger.
Roger, Dodger. Both those Midland mics apart on the video and show viewers if there's a difference.
Yeah, okay, no problem. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over.
Going over is the petrol price at that end, please, over?
Yep, 142.8 and 148.7.
Well, that worked absolutely fine as a radio, so thank you for that.
Yep, roger that. 1010.
10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby Level Crossing. There's some foreign interference, but it's still okay. And is there a petrol price at that end, please, over?
Yeah, 142.8 and 148.7.
Well, that worked absolutely fine as a radio, so thank you for that.
Yep, roger that. 1010.
1010. Okay, so that's what we'll do. We'll go over to the base station and I'll listen to it on all three mics, and then we'll do a video between this mic, which is what the customer supplied, and the precision mic of my own with no hanger-upper. They're both the same era, they're both made in Korea, they're both 600 ohms, and we'll do a video on if there's a difference on the innards. This set's got to go back to the customer, so I'll have to be pretty pronto on that.
Tango 21, testing the Midland 2001 Precision Series from 1981 with my standard replacement coffin microphone into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll now go over to the customer supplied mic, the type that would have come with the later 77104s.